All right.
All right, we're picking up where we left off. The phone overheated. It's quite warm out here on this roof. Please show everything to know so they know that nothing was manipulated or touched or anything between the time the camera cut off and now the time that we're starting back up. Good?
Yep.
Now let's get this thing rolling. All right, let's get this party going. A few more across the top. This will be good to go. Now, before we even touch it, you can clearly see, grab the chalk. You can clearly see that this one's already creased. That is without touching it. That one, obviously creased. This one shows obvious signs of creasing across here. This one as well shows signs of creasing. This one fully creased all the way across. This one here shows also signs of creasing. This one is good to go. Here's your new shingle. Yeah. The granules are completely displaced. The shingles are broken in their current condition. The home is not put back to a pre-loss condition. In fact, there's more damage now than there was before after doing the repairs authorized by the homeowner's insurance company.